millions of tons of this waste are about to be reborn.
The power of destruction to begin a new life.
The beauty hidden inside a waste product.
Layer by layer, purity is revealed.
Nothing is wasted. Even the sap is reborn.
Waste does not exist.
From liquid to fibers stronger than steel. Heat transforms the structure, creating durability.
Perfect moisture. Moving to the shredding stage.
This is just the beginning of a green revolution.
Green technology permeates every stage.
Stronger than you think. More durable than you expect.
Welcome to the heart of creation. The perfect fusion of nature and technology. Precision down to the millimeter.
Not a single flaw is allowed to exist.
The remaining pulp? That's the start of the finest paper.
Heat and pressure create perfection. From waste to pristine white pages.
Plastic packaging will soon be a thing of the past.
This isn't just a bag, this is the future of fashion. Banana is just the beginning.
What's next?
Plastic waste to the environment. IndustrialCore, where waste becomes the treasure of the future.
From factory to consumer, a zero-emission supply chain.
The cycle begins again. Mother Earth will smile.
Beginning, no end.
We're not just changing a process, we're changing the world.
IndustrialCore. We don't just make products, we make the future.
Subscribe now to not miss the next decoding journeys.